This is the mother of podcasts. We are thrilled to embark on this journey with you. This podcast is a safe space where we celebrate the beauty and chaos of motherhood, exploring the triumphs, tribulations, and taboo topics that come with it. From the little superstitions that you followed or questioned during your pregnancy to parenting gentle or not, and everything in between, we'll delve into the diverse experiences of women from all walks of life. Whether you're a mom or a mom to be, or simply a woman with a story to share, this podcast is for you. So grab a cup of coffee, put on your comfiest shoes, and let's dive into the messy, magnificent world of motherhood together.
Hi, I'm Soumya, and she's my friend Chanda, and we are the mothers behind the Mother of Podcasts. Wondering why we call this Mother of Podcasts? क्योंकि माँ तो माँ होती है. Anyway, PJs aside, um,
Okay, that was a good one. Okay, so it's 1 in the night in India, and this is the second time we are recording this episode because of some technical glitches and a new app that we were trying. But let's hope this
yeah,
episode's, we record this without any glitch. And so, what are
yeah,
we talking about
I
today?
want to, um, before we get to what we are talking about today, I just want to mention that we tried recording from this app called Riverside. If any one of you has tried doing it, the video is not getting downloaded or shared. Let us know, or if anybody from Riverside listens to this, please let us know how to do it because it's a very beautiful episode that we recorded. We really want to download it. So, coming back to point,
Yeah.
the topic for today is lowering expectations and setting boundaries after having a बच्चा. तो मतलब मेरे लिए जब मैं बोलती हूँ लोअरिंग एक्सपेक्टेशन तो ये ना थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन के साथ आता है. ठीक है. आता था अभी से पहले कि मतलब आप लोअरिंग एक्सपेक्टेशन ये हो गया कि आपको आप नाउम्मीद हो गए खुद से
Hmm.
या जिससे भी आप लोअर कर रहे हो.
Hmm.
एंड नाउमीदी इज लाइक बहुत ही ऐसे डिसहार्टनिंग से साउंड करता है लोअरिंग योर एक्सपेक्टेशन. लेकिन आफ्टर हैविंग माय बेबी आई रियलाइज्ड that it doesn't have to be like that. And lowering expectation क्यों आज का टॉपिक है and we are dedicating an entire episode to it and setting boundaries is because these are two things I feel, Chanda, which can keep your mental peace in place, keep your sanity in place after having a baby. Um,
True.
and it's extremely important for new mothers. ये मैंने अब रियलाइज किया है. माय चाइल्ड जस्ट टर्न 7 months old एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि ये जो एक्सपेक्टेशन लोअर करने का पूरा ये जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है खुद से, अपने सराउंडिंग से, अपने बच्चे से, अपने पति से, अपने परिवार से, अपने मन से, सबसे आप जो थोड़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन जब लो करते हो तो वो कौन सा एक मैजिक वे है जो खुल जाता है. ठीक है. वो आपको पता चलता है जब आप बाउंड्री हेल्दी बाउंड्री सेट करते हो. तो कैसे आप ट्रिगर्स से बचते हो. ठीक है. कैसे आप अपना वो बिग रेड बटन नहीं दे देते हो लोगों को कभी भी बजाने के लिए, दबाने के लिए. तो ये आपको समझ में आता. So I think this conversation is a very must listen for all new mothers or mom to bees. Definitely take these two very important advices from very recent moms, but very important advice.
And I would like to
So
add,
yeah,
uh, I would like to add
yeah,
that,
please.
not only new moms and moms to be, veteran moms who have
Yeah.
lived most of their life, setting very high expectations from themselves. I would not say from others, but themselves. I
हम्म
hope they listen to this. I know they'll not agree with what all we say. And, how is it okay to just, be okay with a messy house, or be okay with just being around your baby and not be a super mom or a super wife doing everything? I hope they listen to
हम्म
this, they agree to some of it, and they share it with their friends. So
हम्म
I
Sure.
want to know from you that how are you, you know, setting some, what are some common unrealistic expectations that you had when you have your baby, when you had your baby? What were the
Okay.
things that you were expecting to, ये ऐसे होगा, मैं ऐसे करूंगी, और ये सब ऐसे 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 हो जाएगा. So I really want you to share it. Then I'll share what happened with me, what I did.
Yeah. So I'm the queen of unrealistic expectations. Okay. From everyone else. Okay. एंड ये जो होता है ना, जब आपका बच्चा नहीं होता है और आप किसी और पेरेंट को देख करके ऐसे जज कर रहे होते हो कि मैं तो ऐसे नहीं करूंगी, मेरा बच्चा होगा तो मैं तो ऐसे स्क्रीन तो बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगी, मेरा बच्चा होगा मैं ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं खिलाऊंगी, मेरा बच्चा होगा मैं ऐसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं उसको बोलूंगी। आपकी जो आपकी जो दुनिया है ना, वो काफी पलट जाती है जब बच्चा एक्चुअल में हाथ में आता है। तो एक्सपेक्टेशन वाइज, जोक्स अपार्ट, एक्सपेक्टेशन वाइज अनरियलिस्टिकली मैंने मैंने अपने ऊपर जैसे मैंने मेरा मेरा जो सबसे पहला वो था कि मुझे बिल्कुल मैंने ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग क्लासेस ली थी बिफोर द प्रेगनेंसी, बिफोर द बेबी। ओके। तो वो जो गोल्डन आवर में पहले घंटे में आप बच्चे को स्किन टू स्किन देते हो, एंड देन
Hmm.
यू लैच द बेबी एंड यू डू नॉट गिव द फॉर्मूला इवन वंस, राइट?
Hmm.
तो मुझे ना, मैंने अपने डॉक्टर से भी बात की थी, ठीक है। शी सेड कि या वील डू इट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वो नहीं हुआ उस वक्त, ठीक है। एंड माई बेबी वॉज गिवन फॉर्मूला फॉर अबाउट फर्स्ट 1.5 2 days.
Hmm.
My milk started coming after I think 2 days.
Hmm.
तो मेरे लिए ना वो बहुत ही पहला जो फर्स्ट होता है ना, ऐसे पैदा होते ही पहला, क्योंकि दिमाग में आप कहानियां रचते रहते हो अपने कि ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, बच्चा होगा ऐसे होगा, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी ऑन पॉइंट, ठीक है। पर मेरा वो पहला ब्रेक था, बैरियर था, ठीक है। जो मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ये काश हो जाता परफेक्टली। आई नो देर आर पेरेंटिंग ग्रुप्स एंड प्लेसेस वेयर पीपल डू इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट, बट नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज मेरा हॉस्पिटल भी ऐसा था जो नहीं सपोर्ट कर पाया। कंटिन्यूइंग, baby has been handed over to the papa. So yes, so some, मेरे लिए बहुत सारे unrealistic expectations in the beginning were this, कि मतलब I will have it all together. I did not take into account my postpartum anxieties and my depressions and whatever. And because of that, मैं काफी ज्यादा बहुत सारी चीजों को लेके unnecessarily छोटी छोटी बातों को लेके anxious रहती थी, relationships में, um, क्या खाना पीना है उसको लेकर के, ठीक है, काफी चीजों को लेके। क्योंकि मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन ये थी कि मैं मेंटली बहुत ही स्टेबल हूँ और मैं बहुत ही आराम से हैंडल कर लूंगी पोस्टपार्टम को, ठीक है। ऑल्दो मैंने काफी कुछ पढ़ा था, सब कुछ किया था, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं हो जाएगा। एक और बहुत ज्यादा अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन, आई हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड सॉलिड्स फॉर माय सन। तो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे था ना कि मतलब मैं तो इसे बिठाऊंगी हाई चेयर पे और मैं इसे दूंगी खाना और ये मेरा बेटा पूरा खाना खा जाएगा। मैं उसे कितना भी खाना दे दूं प्लेट में, हाई चेयर पे बैठा के, खाना सारा जमीन पे ही होता है, खाना मुंह में नहीं जाता। I really want to ask the moms who are doing the baby-led weaning thing. It's not exactly weaning, but since it's popularly known as BLW, baby-led weaning. So, आप कैसे कर रहे हो भाई? आप, आई एम ओके विथ द गंदगी, बट बच्चे के पेट में खाना तो जाना चाहिए ना, कि कैसे, हाउ आर यू डूइंग इट? तो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि मैं दूंगी और वो खा लेगा, और मेरा बच्चा हाई चेयर पे बैठने को तैयार ही नहीं होता है। उसको आप जैसे ही रेस्ट्रेन करोगे खिलाने के लिए, वो रोने लगेगा। ही वांट्स टू मूव अराउंड एंड प्ले एंड ईट। So I'm dealing with adjusting my expectations every day. Okay. I'm dealing with having a messy sink since I have no domestic help, nothing here in the UK. Having a messy sink, having a messy room, and things so on and so forth. So, yeah. What about you? Tell me, what were some unrealistic expectations that you had?
Okay, so um, in terms of uh, so I was not in a hurry to lose weight, like to get back into shape. I was not in the hurry because I had decided, since I was on a very restrictive diet in the last trimester because of the gestational diabetes. So I had decided that I will eat whatever I want after my baby. After having my baby for at least 1 year, then I'll get back to the gym and the workout and everything, yoga. So वेट लॉस वाला कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था, बट हाँ, ये बड़ी सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि बच्चे का काम खुद कर लूंगी और
Hmm.
घर भी मैनेज कर लूंगी. I was
Hmm.
not planning to go back to work. Like it was not in the plan for at least 2.5 years or 3 years. It was not in the plan. But हाँ, ये था कि I can manage both the household chores as well as the baby. But 3 months, 4 months, 5 months down the line, I went to my mother-in-law and I was like, I need a help. I need a help,
Hmm.
either one more house help or help with the baby, like a nanny or
Hmm.
nanny for my child. So she was very kind to understand कि ठीक है, हेल्प चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई आप अपना बच्चा किसी को पालने के लिए दे रहे हो, बट आप सिर्फ हेल्प ले रहे हो टू मैनेज द स्टफ, लाइक to take care of the clothes, or to take care of his toys and everything, because uh, they want to play with one thing for 1 second and another second they're playing with something else. And when they start crawling, you have to be with them, you have to be
Yeah.
around. So either you can be in the kitchen or you can be with the baby. So I think it's okay and it is
I'm doing
necessary.
both right now, and it
I know.
takes a lot out of me. It takes a lot out of me.
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's very you know difficult for moms in foreign lands, I would say in abroad, to they're handling both. And my all my friends, most of my childhood friends, they're living in different countries and doing it without the help. And every time I talk to them, I'm like, hats off to you guys. So yeah, that was the one
Yeah.
thing that I thought I'll be able to do, but I was not able to do it. And I read a lot about being vulnerable and asking for help. You should be okay to ask for help. So that is what I did. शुरू में थोड़ा हिचकिचाहट थी कि नहीं 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 नहीं, because I was like you said, you see
Yeah.
other parents and you were like हमने ऐसे नहीं करना है. So I was the one who was like judging parents for keeping a nanny कि "यार, खुद का बच्चा नहीं पाल सकते हो क्या?" बट जब खुद पे
फिर तो
आती
खुद पे पड़ी तो समझ में आया।
exactly. So I think it's okay to ask for help. And one thing you realize after keeping a nanny or how help for the baby is that she's not there to take care of your child. She's there to help
वो
you.
पेरिफेरल चोर्स जो है बच्चे के आसपास के,
हाँ,
हाँ।
ताकि आप थोड़ा सैनिटी आपको मिले और आप थोड़ा उस चीज से रिलीफ में हो कि ठीक है भैया, अब कपड़े नहीं उठाने, अब खिलौने नहीं उठाने. वो चीजें हेल्प करने के लिए वो नानी होती है. ठीक है, कभी कभी बच्चे को पकड़ लेती है या देख लेती है. हर किसी का अलग अलग होता है कि हर किसी को कैसे रखना है अपनी नानी और बच्चे का रिलेशन. इफ वन इज अ वर्किंग मदर, शी इज गोइंग टू ऑफिस, then things are different. But if you are not going to office, you are in the house doing the household chores or managing something from the house only, then your rules are different. So yeah, that was
Yeah.
one thing that
You decide your rules, you make your rules.
yes, that
Hmm.
was the one thing that I
Okay.
thought I'll be able to do, but I eventually asked for help.
Okay. I wanted to also give a little bit of my peace of mind on the fact of managing your mental health and what to expect from yourself right after your baby and how it affects. All right. Because I suffered through some anxieties and some um, uh, not belong. I'll not say bitterness, but yes, because I did not take it into account. Okay, कि मेरा mental health stable रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. तो relationships में भी I had some crests and troughs. Okay, in the family as well, but it all people were kind enough around me to understand that I'm not going through a very smooth phase right now. So yeah, I guess before baby, expect that your mind space is not going to be cool. You're not going to have paused responses. Will You will definitely lose temper on your husband, on your family, on yourself. Um, you will be anxious. You will feel like you're doing things wrong, and you will marokodo on yourself for that. But um I think you should expect that. I wasn't expecting something like that, but yes, you should expect that out of yourself. And also, कहने की भी है कि कोई मेडल नहीं दे रहा है. There is no prize. There is no first place. There is no second place for um raising that child. ठीक है, जो आपने पैदा किया है, कोई मेडल नहीं देगा. आप अपनी लाइफ को बहुत डिफिकल्ट बना रहे हो. Try to find the easier ways around. Like, एक्सपेक्टेशन खुद से लो करने का मतलब ये है, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप गंदगी में रहो और इन्फेक्शन कर लो खुद को. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि वो सेल्फ ऑब्सेसिव बिहेवियर अराउंड अराउंड अ वेरी लिटिल थिंग लाइक अ मेसी हाउस इज नॉट ओके. हैज ही स्लेप्ट? कितनी देर और मैनेज कर सकते हो? पुष्किन इज शोइंग ऑफ.
Thank you so much,
आकर के किसने
Dr.
सुला लिया है? कैरियर वैरियर में डाल के उसको सुला रहा
So that is how new dads
है.
look. That is how they help
Yeah. Yeah. And shout out to the new millennial dads.
who are trying to.
Absolutely awesome, awesome people. तो हाँ, मतलब मेरा ये है कि गंदा घर मत. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब नालियां बहने लगे आपके घरों से, मगर मगर भाई आपका बच्चा सेफ है, भूखा नहीं है, चोट नहीं लगी उसे. ये भी विक्ट्री हो सकती है आपके दिन की. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने जो अपनी टू डू लिस्ट बनाई है और उसी के अराउंड जब तक सारी टिक नहीं हो गई तब तक आपको चैन नहीं आएगा और आप सो नहीं पाओगे. ठीक है, बच्चे ने खाना पीना खा लिया है, सेफ है, चोट नहीं लगी है, कपड़े पहने हुए हैं उसने. आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन टिल ही और शी इज नॉट डेवलपिंग इमोशनल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल नीड्स. जब तक फिजिकल नीड्स है तब तक इट्स फाइन. सो या.
So, हाँ मतलब we talk about lowering expectations and like you said कि you know how we should be okay with everything. I want to add to it कि uh, it is not easy to lower your expectations. You have to work for it every day because हम ऐसे बड़े
ऐसा नहीं है एक बार कर दिया तो सेट हो गया.
हाँ मतलब एक बार आपने सोच लिया कि अच्छा ठीक है आज घर गंदा है तो ठीक है, बाद में साफ कर लेंगे या रात में साफ कर लेंगे बच्चे के सोने के बाद। ये आप एक दिन कर सकते हो या आप 2 दिन कर सकते हो। तीसरे दिन यूल बी लाइक, जो कंडीशनिंग थी कि अरे स्पिक एंड स्पैन होना चाहिए, और your clothes should be organized, your almirah should be organized, and all the toys should be in the organizer or in the box, and your kitchen should be clean. It will come back, it will hit you back. So you have to unlearn those things. You have to be okay with not taking off everything on the to-do list. Make a to-do list. It helps you keep a clear.
मतलब अगर 40% 50% भी आपने अचीव कर लिया टू डू लिस्ट का, तो मुझे लगता है शाबाशी के आप लायक हैं।
हाँ, मतलब
हम
अगर
लायक
आपका
हैं
एक
आज।
3 महीने का बच्चा है या एक न्यू बॉर्न है और आप अकेले रह रहे हो या आप फैमिली में भी रह रहे हो, और आपने सबको घर में, अगर आप फैमिली में रह रहे हो और आपके घर का ऐसा सेटअप है कि यू आर डूइंग द हाउस होल्ड चोर्स एंड यू हैव डन मोस्ट ऑफ इट, कुछ चीजें नहीं हुई हैं, डोंट बीट योर सेल्फ अबाउट इट। बी ओके,
या
be nice to
हम्म
yourself, be kind to yourself, because what you have achieved while taking care of a baby is something that most of the CEOs do in a month or a
या
quarterly period.
सो एग्जैक्टली सो ये मतलब ये मेरे साथ दिस वाज अ वेरी वेरी आई हैव वेरी रिसेंटली I would like to say that I have conquered this, but very recently I have realized that my biggest problem was that I want to call myself and see myself as an all-rounder all the time. But reality hit really hard on me, moving to UK and handling everything alone, from dishes to, not alone, I mean with my husband, from dishes to laundry to cleaning to baby to feeding to apna khana to
Grocery
tiffin to
shopping.
whatever, grocery shopping, everything, right? Reality hit really hard. And then I learned to adjust. And I realized कि जब किसी देश में वॉर होती है, तो जो सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं वो पूरे वॉर की तरफ लगाए जाते हैं। तो मैंने अभी अपने करंट सिचुएशन को वॉर की तरह लिया हुआ है, और जो अपने पूरे भी एनर्जी के रिसोर्सेज हैं उसको बच्चे को पालने में, उसको सेफ रखने में, उसको हेल्दी रखने में, उसको सेफ हेल्दी रखने के लिए खुद को सेफ हेल्दी रखने में लगा रखे हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन थिंग्स लाइक impeccably clean kitchen and impeccably clean clothes and things like that. So yeah.
Okay, so we'll move to our another topic now.
Yeah.
It's about setting.
Just before we move there, Chanda, I really want to say this. We are using social media as a platform to talk about these issues, but I really feel that unrealistic standards and hard to cope standards are also a big big result of social media right now. All right. हम एक रील देखते हैं जिसमें एक माँ है जो सब कुछ कर रही है, ठीक है, उसके 7 बच्चे हैं, उन अलग अलग उम्र के, वो स्कूल भी भेज रही है, वो लंच भी बना रही है, वो वर्कआउट भी कर ले रही है, वो किचन भी साफ रख रही है, उसके बच्चे एकदम डिसिप्लिन्ड भी हैं, ठीक है। हमें उनके पीछे की कहानी नहीं पता कि वो क्या है, वो किस देश के हैं, उनके यहाँ क्या सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, नहीं है। हम एक स्क्रीन पे 30 सेकंड का वीडियो देख करके अपनी पूरी कहानी रच लेते हैं अपने दिमाग में कि भाई ये ऐसी पिक्चर दिख रही है, ऐसा मुझे ऐसा होना है।
Exactly.
बहनों, प्लीज डू नॉट फॉल ट्रैप टू दिस। आई डिड, honestly I did, like several things, like for example, not reading a bedtime story to my 7-day-old baby made me feel guilty, because there are moms on social media who are reading bedtime stories to like their child from day one. How? How? I mean, really, how? I was not able to sleep for 2 hours on day one. So, how were you reading bedtime stories? So, yes, I mean, social media is good. We get to know how people are dealing with things, but it's take it with a pinch of salt and try to understand that everyone is not living the life that you are. Everyone has not is not basically experiencing life as you are, right? That's about it. We can move on to setting boundaries and understanding why setting boundaries for new mothers is essential. Because Chanda, you come from a joint family and you've lived with your in-laws. How do you think setting new boundaries is essential for new mothers?
Okay, so see, uh, uh, I would like to say that I've been blessed because my family understands
Mm.
if I'm doing something for the baby or even for them. So it is with a very good intention. So uh, I have been very clear about certain things from the very beginning and why I want them, why are they important for the baby, and they have, uh, you know, it took time to understand that, but they accepted it and they do certain things in a certain way. So I'll give you a
Okay.
very small example of not giving sugar and salt to the baby, because pediatricians have, researched about it. Scientists have found evidences of sugar not being good for a baby for at least in the beginning of the years. If you can avoid it for lifetime, nothing like it. But if you can avoid it for first 2 years of the baby, it is very beneficial for them. Same
Hmm.
goes for salt. Their kidneys are not developed so much. So
Enough to process this out.
yes. So I read about it. I watched reels about it because we use social media and some of the reels and some of the accounts and influencers are helpful out there. So I the doctor said so, and I was very much convinced with the idea that I am not going to do this. I conveyed it to them. I explained it in a very scientific manner, you know. चीनी देने से ये होगा और नमक देने से ये होगा. So let's just stick to it for at least 6 months because first 6 months is just breastfeeding and then it's only 6 months. And if someone says, क्या तुम ये खाना खा लोगे बिना नमक वाला या उनको टेस्ट नहीं आएगा. So the simple answer is कि they don't know what salt is. They've never tasted it. They don't know what sugar is. They never tasted it. So if it is beneficial for them, do it. And if people are not understanding it, you don't have to make them understand. Set your boundaries. Be clear that you want to do it. एक बार बोलो, दो बार बोलो, तीन बार बोलो, चौथी बार अगर कोई नहीं समझता तो okay,
My
dada.
baby, my rules.
Exactly. So
So I also want to talk about the fact that ये जो जैसे तुमने बाउंड्री सेट की, तो ये बाउंड्री सेटिंग तुम्हारी मेंटल पीस के लिए कैसा था? मतलब क्या, हाउ डिड इट हेल्प यू?
So, see, I am 32 right now, but when I was 28, I was hospitalized uh, for the problem of high BP, hypertension, and they did not find any cause for it. It was mostly genetic, or it was genetic, I would say. And I was in the hospital for 5 days. And then and there, I decided, I will not repeat the patterns or I will not do things that are not okay for my future child. We were not planning for a baby back then. But, you want to be, my parents didn't do anything wrong, or, they did what they were told is right for us or what they were taught. But I wanted to be very sure that I am doing right by my child in terms of health.
हम्म
तब इमोशनली मेंटली वो कैसा होगा बड़े होके, वी स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट। बट हेल्थ वाइज आई वॉज वेरी मच, आई वुड से एडमेंट कि मुझे
हम्म
कुछ चीजें नहीं करनी है।
तो
अगर,
नहीं करनी है।
हाँ, अगर मुझे प्रेगनेंसी में इफ आई हैव बीन डायग्नोस्ड विद जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज, इट इज समवेयर my bad lifestyle that led to it. I will not blame anybody for it. It was my bad lifestyle. So I wanted to be sure that my baby has healthy eating habits from the beginning only.
हम्म
And it gave me a sense of, mental
क्लैरिटी।
clarity and, being okay with the fact that, if I'm teaching him healthy habits abhi se,
It's okay if I get a few people irked in the way.
yes, and it will help him in a very long way. In the
Yeah.
future, his health,
Yeah.
he
Hmm.
might even thank me. I
Hmm.
don't, not
Hmm.
expecting it. But yeah.
So, Chanda, what about setting boundaries on social media? Because social media is also a big part of our day, big part of our life right now. We are getting influenced. We are influencing people through social media. So, what about setting boundaries there?
Not the right person to answer that question, but still I'll try. So I try to limit like my time on social media, and my son is there to keep a check. He keeps reminding me कि मम्मा फोन बंद, because I taught him कि भैया फोन यूज नहीं करते, your eyes get affected and stuff like that. So whenever he sees me on the phone, he's like मम्मा फोन बंद. तो ठीक है. And there are accounts that are genuine, that give you an insight of their daily struggles, their daily life. There are mom influencers who I would like to mention, who I have followed uh, after giving birth and by the time I conceived. So there are few accounts that I followed, and I feel they are very genuine, very honest. They uh, they they share their struggles also. It's not happy go lucky कि भैया हमारा बच्चा सब खा लेता है, हमारा बच्चा ऐसे नहीं करता है, हमारे बच्चे को tantrums नहीं होते. No. So these accounts are very genuine according to me. And if you follow them, you'll also come to know कि सब real है. So one
Hmm.
of them is Jyotika. She has a Instagram handle with the name of Tintin Ka Bacha, and I think we both started following her when I got pregnant. And
I'm following her even before I got married, from even
yeah,
before that.
so the way she's raising her child, teaching him to be empathetic and kind and okay with his emotions,
Oh, I
and
I remember a affirmation. She says, uh, "The universe listens and reciprocates," and it's one of my favorite affirmations to do with my son as well.
yeah.
So
So
yeah.
I started doing affirmations with my baby when it was, I think, 1 month. But after
Hmm.
that, क्योंकि एक
Hmm.
महीना तो settle होने में लगता है. So
Hmm.
yes, following her, listening to her. And then there is another account that I follow. It's Mom Uninterrupted. It's by Amrita.
Okay.
She
Hmm.
is a sleep consultant. And, you know, knowingly or unknowingly, her reels, the days she posted the reels or the content, that it was so, it was
Solution to your
to,
problems.
yes, it was what I wanted that day. And she is so I would say not active, but she's always available on DMs also. If you
Nice. So
ask her
basically,
something,
you can set boundaries by following the right people and getting the right kind of content in your life, क्योंकि आपको genuine content समझ में आ जाता है 4-5 वीडियो देख के, और वो जबरदस्ती का व्यूज और क्लिक बेट्स वाले भी
click
समझ में आ
hand.
जाते हैं।
Hmm.
तो ये तो है। और एक मतलब बोलना थोड़ा आसान है लेकिन करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है कि कंपैरिजन जो एक बेसिक हमारा ह्यूमन नेचर है करने का, कि भैया हम अपने दो बच्चों में ही लोग करने लगते हैं कंपैरिजन, कि पहले वाले ने तो ऐसे किया था, वो तो 9 महीने में चला था, ये वाला तो 1 साल से नहीं चला, 1 साल पे ही नहीं चला। अपने में ही करने लगते हैं तो दूसरों से, तो दोस्तों के बच्चों से और सबसे तो करता ही है इंसान। तो सोशल मीडिया तो हमारे पास एक बड़ा सा प्लेटफॉर्म, पहले कॉलोनी में करते थे, अब हम पूरी दुनिया से ग्लोबल लेवल पे कंपेयर करते हैं खुद को, और फिर उसके बाद अपनी का खामियों को देख करके खुद को सोचते हैं कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, और फिर अननेसेसरी प्रेशर ऐड कर रहे हैं। तो भाई देखो, ऐसा है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट each child is born to experience this world, experience this life as a human form, and not accomplish our dreams and desires and compete for our dreams and desires, because just because we were the medium of their birth in this world, they are here to live their life, experience their experiences, and live. So let's not compare these little souls, and also not compare mothers, कि इस माँ ने तो ऐसे किया, उस माँ ने तो वैसे किया। मुझे लगता है उससे भी काफी इजी हो जाएगी लाइफ। ठीक है।
और जो माँ को ये सुनना पड़ता है कि अरे उसने तो 3 महीने में सारा वजन कम कर लिया, set a boundary, be okay with the chaos, be okay with the noise, don't let it get to yourself, take your time, you know.
एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकाल दो, जहां पे तुम ऐसी सिचुएशन में हो कि भाई सुनना ही है। ठीक
हाँ,
है।
और
और
अपनी पेस से,
अगर आप
अपनी
ऐसी
पेस
सिचुएशन
से।
में हो कि आप अपने आप को उस सिचुएशन से निकाल सकते हो और हटा सकते हो, तो हटा लो। नहीं हटा सकते हो तो थेथर हो जाओ, एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकालो। ठीक है। सिंपल।
And go out for a walk.
My
uh,
son is up again, and I think now, yeah, go ahead, yeah.
so go out for a walk. That is one thing that will help you. And Ruskin is back, and Dr. Pushkin is also back.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, try to try to take care of yourself. Ask your
Self care is
husband.
important.
Ask your
Ask your
husband to.
husband to hold your baby during your podcast and
Help
give a
you out.
cameo.
Hi.
Yeah.
So basically, one thing that I would like to say to all dads
Yeah.
is that ये थोड़ा आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक हो गया है, पर मुझे याद आ गया
Hmm.
कि
Hmm.
जो ये मिलेनियल डैड्स हैं, दे हैव नो एग्जांपल्स.
हाँ, इनके पास एग्जाम्पल नहीं है, दे आर विंगिंग इट।
They have no examples. They have no role models of, how to do, how to help their spouses with their kids, but they are still doing it, and
तो
it's
इन्हें हम
really
मुंह खोल के
commendable.
बता सकते हैं कि हमें कहाँ पर हेल्प चाहिए,
और
इंस्टेड ऑफ
ये भी
साइलेंटली
पूछ
एक्सपेक्टिंग।
सकते हैं, और ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि this is what I don't know, so please tell me how to do it. It's okay.
या ओ गॉड। हाँ, तो
And one thing I would
आई
like to add,
या
one
गो
last
अहेड।
thing.
या
Start
वन होल्ड ऑन,
saying
आई होल्ड ऑन, या गो अहेड।
start saying no to the things that are draining your energy, that are taking away your mental peace. And
या
it's okay if you're not a super mom, be okay with it.
Yeah, I think saying no is a life skill one needs to learn really early in life. ये मैंने सोचा है, ये मैंने कि मैं अपने बच्चे को काफी बचपन से ही ना बोलना सिखाऊंगी टू मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, एंड से यस टू वेरी वेरी सिलेक्टिव फ्यू थिंग्स इन लाइफ। सो that's about it. Chanda, what do you think about prioritizing self care? कैसे कर सकती है नई माएं सेल्फ केयर, कैसे प्रायोरिटाइज कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि यार बच्चा आता है ना, बच्चे को देखने के लिए खुद को भूल जाता है इंसान। तो और बहुत मुश्किल भी होता है, बोलना आसान है कि प्रायोरिटाइज कैसे करो सेल्फ केयर, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है। ठीक है। तो क्या वो छोटी छोटी 2-3 चीजें हैं जो कर सकते ना प्रायोरिटाइज द सेल्फ केयर?
So basically, मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ योगा करती हूँ, मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी मैं
हम्म
बहुत रेगुलर हूँ.
हम्म
That is what has helped me
हम्म
pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy.
हम्म
I've been doing yoga from past 5-6 years now.
हम्म
So I try to do it. And one thing that I do when this doesn't stop, when my brain doesn't stop working or there is a lot of chaos, is I take my son and I go out for a walk. I
हम्म
go downstairs, I be in the park, even if I am not walking, I
हम्म
just be there, out of
हम्म
all the chaos,
हम्म
and be there, observe the,
हम्म
sit there quietly. That is what I do. And कभी-कभी you get time, if
हम्म
you have support, go
हम्म
out for a pampering session of a pedicure, manicure, and a hair spa.
हम्म
That is
Okay.
what I follow. Go out for your favorite meal with your husband, with your family, or a friend.
हम्म
If you can
हम्म
do it, if you have help, if your friends are, they don't have a kid and they are understanding enough, take your child along. Give it to them.
Yeah. Also, shout out to non-mother friends, the ones who don't have children and still understand your plight and still are there in your life and make time for you and understand your struggles. Shout out to them as well. Yeah.
So I think that was our uh, like 2 cents on setting the boundaries and lowering
Yeah, yeah,
expectations.
yeah, yeah.
We want you guys to write to us on our
Hmm.
Instagram, write to
Hmm.
us on our YouTube. We are also live on Spotify now.
Yeah,
All the links are in our bio on the
yeah,
Instagram.
yeah,
So talk to us, tell us what we should talk about, what we need, what feedback you want to give to us.
yeah.
Thank you for
And
listening.
thank you for listening. Lower your expectations and set boundaries because your mental and physical health is directly in proportion to your child's physical and mental health and the well being of both mother and child. Try, try. It's difficult, but try.
Subscribe now and join our community of amazing mothers. Follow us on social media for more. Bye for now.